Many friends often ask why the Wanggan land meter S1, S3, and S4 look almost identical yet have significantly different price points. Is it enough to simply choose the cheapest option? In reality, despite their similar appearances, these models differ greatly in functionality. Wanggan land meter S1, the basic model. The S1 is the foundational model in the Wanggan land meter series, and although it only offers basic features, its accuracy is commendable. It can maintain a measurement error of no more than plus or minus 1% for areas greater than 2,000 square meters. Its minimalist black and white screen is not only easy to read but also energy efficient. Wanggan S3, the enhanced version. This upgraded model features a color screen, providing excellent clarity both during the day and at night, eliminating any concerns about screen visibility. The S3 is versatile enough to meet most measurement needs, including standard area measurements, fixed width measurements, and slope measurements. Wanggan S4, the advanced model. Taking it a step further, the S4 enhances the capabilities of the S3 by introducing a barometer accessory. This feature allows for height calibration, significantly improving measurement accuracy. The barometer also enables the S4 to intelligently recognize slope angles. Additionally, the S4 includes a new function for measuring the surface area of specific mountain shapes, further expanding its usability.